All right, I'm making another quick video. Hopefully it's going to be quick. So my wife let me know today that her car wasn't shifting into gear. She's got a 2012 Suburban 1500. So when you pull it back, it just there's no tension on it. So it made me think it was the linkage, the cable that connects to the transmission, and that's what it was. So I'll show you underneath real quick. For this particular model, you need the 14092 Doorman 14092. This is a 2012 Suburban 1500, and it works for this truck. My pickup truck is a 2009 Silverado 3500, and it's the same part. So it's probably going to work for quite a few Silverado Tahoes and Suburbans. So let me take you outside and show you what it is real quick. Alright, so here's where the tire is. Try to shine a light in here so you guys can see. Right there, you can see the grommet, the little plastic grommet that's on there. That's the yellow thing there that broke off, and that's the cable that connects to it. So I'm gonna have to pop that yellow piece off and then put the new plastic bushing onto it. And I'll see if hopefully I'll be able to show you everything underneath the truck. Well, believe it or not, lining up the camera is the hardest part of this whole thing. So I'm going to see with a screwdriver if I can get this off. Alright, well that was easy. All right, well, I got that in. So hopefully you can see it, but I'll show you guys now. All right, so there's the piece. I literally did it by hand. Everybody else was using a socket and a C-clamp. Well, my hand and a screwdriver. But anyways, so you want the flat portion. Let's see if I can do this here. So there you go. You can see where the piece is. That's how you want it. Let's go inside and see if we can put it in gear. Alright, so we're in the car now. What you couldn't see when I was in the video was that I had to grab it with both hands. I was trying to do this one-handed under the car with the camera roll, and it wasn't working out. So I was able to hold the cable with one hand, and then with the screwdriver, I was just able to push the grommet, or bushing, whatever you want to call it, onto the end of the cable. It wasn't hard at all to do. And now you can see the car will shift into all the gears. And really that was it. So it was literally 5 minutes it took me to do the whole thing. I got the part at O'Reilly's. It was two pieces for $13. So I mean, not expensive. It came with a spare piece, so now I'm gonna keep a spare one in this car, and I bought an extra one for my truck, so I'll have a spare. This is something you could do with no problem on the side of the road, anywhere with limited tools, no problem. All right guys, safe travels.